And the homework exercises, y'all, 3 through 8 all, and 15 through 25, these are all very simple. A dilation is what we call a similarity transformation because it either increases in size or decreases in size. It increases or decreases by what we call a scale factor, which we're calling K. If K is greater than 0, then it's an enlargement. All right. If K is between 0 and 1, it's a reduction in size. If K stays the same, meaning is equal to 1, it's what we call an isometric dilation. All right?
Does the homework at the top of this one?
Yes. All right. So, let's talk about this because it's very simple. We're multiplying by a scale factor, which in this case is K. It'll always be a positive number, okay? So all you have to do, and here is a problem, and this is fairly simple, all you have to do is multiply by whatever the scale factor is, okay? So in this case, we have L is at -4 and 1. We have M is at 1 and 4. We have N is at 7 and 0. And we have P is at -3 and -6. Well, it tells you that this trapezoid with the scale factor is 1/4. So all you're going to do is multiply each one of these by 1/4. So 1/4 of -4 and 1 is equal to -1 and 1/4. Everybody clear about that? That's easy, right? And then M would be 1/4 times 1 and 4. So we get 1/4 and 1. N would give us 1/4 times 7 and 0. So that gives us 7/4 and 0. And then P prime, we're multiplying by 1/4, and we get -3/4 and -6/4. Are there any questions about what I've done here? Because that's all you're doing. For all of them, we're multiplying by the same scale factor. Okay? So, because we're multiplying by 1/4, it's going to be larger or smaller, y'all? Smaller. So we have -4 and 1 for L. We have 1 and 4 for M. We have 7 and 0 for N. We have -3 and -6 for P. We got this trapezoid going on. Our new trapezoid is going to be at -1 and 1/4. It'll be L prime, 1/4 and 1 for M prime. 7/4 is 1 and 3/4, so 1 and 3/4 and 0 for N prime. And P prime is at -3/4 and -1.5. So 3/4 and 1.5 be P prime. So we got, so So obviously it decreased in size. And we've talked about dilations before, so I didn't want to spend a lot of time on it. Okay. Anybody have a problem with dilations?